Hello there. If you've been wanting to start an online business, but you feel like you're not tech savvy enough or you're worried that it's too expensive, then this video is going to be for you. I'm Monica Renee, and I help new entrepreneurs launch their online businesses using simple systems and the right kind of support. And guess what? You don't need to have a business degree or $10,000 saved up to get started. Most people never start their business because they're either overwhelmed with information or they believe it's too expensive. They get stuck in research mode, they watch a million videos and still feel unsure about what to do first. I know when I first started, I was watching so many videos and it was very overwhelming for me. And as many videos as I watched, for me, I wasn't able to put all of the pieces together. So I had to go and invest in a business course so that I would have all the information so I could follow things step by step, right? Do first things first, as you would say. And I think that helped me to build up my confidence because it's great to watch others and learn about their journeys and how they did it. But until you actually put boots on the ground, then it's going to be a little difficult for you to just follow someone else's total blueprint. You know what I mean? Because people leave things out and then you may need something that they didn't give you. So you go to someone else and you try to get the information from them, and then you go to somebody else because you still don't have enough information. Why not just get the information in one place? And that's what I had to come to terms with. Now, we're all different. We're all at different places in our journey, on our business journey. So maybe you can look at a bunch of videos and copy and paste and do whatever you need to do to make it happen. But when you have it for yourself and if somebody decides to change what they're doing and you don't actually know what they're doing, you're still following something and it may not work for you. So that's why you have to have your own. But what if I told you that everything you need could be in one place, step by step, and with support and payment options? You don't need 50 tools. You don't need to build a huge team. You just need three things. The first thing you're going to need is a business model that actually works. The second thing you're going to need is a plan to follow. And the third thing that you're going to need is the right mindset and support that's going to help you to take action. That's exactly what my business opportunity course was created to do. It gives you a full system to go from idea to income, and the tools you use are kind of like beginner friendly and they're also cost effective. Here's the best part. People don't realize that you don't have to pay the full $500 up front. We offer payment plans so you can get started with less than $200 and begin building your business now, not next year. But some of the things that you'll learn inside the course is going to be how to choose your niche and a business model, how to create your online presence, and how to use automation and AI tools. So if you're tired of sitting on your dreams and if you're ready to take a real step forward, I invite you to check out the course. It was built for people just like you who are smart, driven, and ready to build something of their own and something of value. Click the link in the description box to get started, or email me at monica@beamthemup.com if you have any questions. Your business starts now. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Until next time, I'm Monica Renee. Peace and love.